Kirkenstein.
It's the red truck.
Dude.
80s vaporwave.
Dude, you should have just braked
He
harder.
waited to get close.
He wasn't even.
He literally
Dude.
waited for him to get closer like a fucking Venus flytrap, bro. That's crazy. Oh, okay. The green apple. I like it.
Dude, motherfuckers really do try to do that shit. It's so brain dead.
Fucking kidding me.
Dude, I agree. I agree. I would be that pissed too.
He did kind of sound like Tim. No, he didn't. Never mind.
God damn it.
Maybe a little bit.
No, it does,
God
right? It
damn
does.
it. Fucking
Is
Fred
that a KFC,
Figglehorn.
bro? Oh, that's a CVS, bro.
I would have been so pissed.
Do you guys see that Tiger Woods got in a car accident?
Tiger Woods.
Tiger Woods?
I'm in a car accident.
Didn't I have a moment where I thought he was dead already like a month ago? That would have been really awkward if he
isn't
I
died.
think so, yeah.
Isn't that the golf guy?
Yeah.
Didn't he like cheat on his wife or something?
Something like that, but he got into a car crash and he also got arrested for a DUI, so they handcuffed him to the
Dude,
bed, I assume.
it's a rite of passage, okay? Let him live, okay? Whenever, like, the biggest sports guy eventually stops playing, they lose their fucking minds, okay? Like,
No, literally though.
dude, this is so
Oh
fucked
my...
up.
Stay home, bro. Just stay home.
No, dude, Walmart needs him to clock in.
Ah!
No, no.
Dude, are they
Oh my
laughing
God,
on the
is the-
radio?
What is that?
Is
Get
the
him, yeah.
radio
What the hell?
laughing?
It just looks miserable here. Like,
Oh my god!
What
That
a
was-
dumb
dude.
plan?
That was a PNG that just got dragged in. What was that?
Yeah, like how did you even get to that
Dude,
area?
he must have been going so
Invincible
fast to go
ass
sideways
moment,
like that.
Sliding PNG.
Oh my fucking.
Getting rear
Back
ended has to be
shots.
the worst shit in the world because it's like you didn't
Grow
hit the
up.
guy in front of you who ultimately caused it, but it's your problem.
Oh, I thought you meant like just in terms of like feeling it, because yeah, you're not really expecting it, so
Yeah.
it's just a matter of like, oh, like it doesn't.
I mean, it's
it,
both.
well, it probably hurts, but you know, it's just more of like, a, oh my god, heart attack.
Emotional
Oh, my-
damage, you're not prepared for it at all. It's probably
I-
worse for your body.
You know, I did want to bring up something to you.
Dude, high beams, man. Turn them off. That's what you get, you fucking dummy.
Yeah, win stupid
Yeah,
prizes,
idiot.
dumbass.
Yeah,
That's what you
dude.
do.
Take your Reddit gold. Your fucking fell for it again award, bro.
Yeah,
Hopefully
literally,
this serves as an
literally.
example.
That's what you get for investing in Mighty Beans, dumbass.
I actually like Mighty Beans.
If someone had lost all the money, I would call him a dumbass. Yeah.
Oh my god! It was so fast.
He's not stopping! Dude, I just saved their life.
He's pulling something out.
He's reaching! What?
Oh, dude, some LA Noir, bro.
Dude.
Damn.
Oh.
Yeah, fucking all that ice cream.
This is LA.
I saw TikToks of people eating that, like eating snow off the
You
ground, which is
probably
kind of funny.
just shouldn't. It's just kind of gross.
You don't. Ow! Ow! Ow!
Watch out! He's going to hit you!
Look out, bro, look
That
out.
could have
What
been
the-
just so easily prevented, man.
Dude, they went in for the
What,
second
dude?
time.
Why you
Why?
putting your hands up?
Throwing
Dude.
the hand up
Fucking
like, oh,
idiot.
what's the idiot doing? Like, shut the fuck
Is,
up, bro.
is that the first time they've driven a fucking car?
Dude.
Like, okay, genuinely, I'm trying to be mean here. I think a
you
6-year-old,
should.
I think a 6-year-old would have done a better job. Like, it's
Yeah, they
literally
can't reach
two
the
pedals.
brake.
It's two pedals. One is go, one is stop. You don't press the go one if you hit a car. Like, dude, this is
Oh
UK.
my god, what?
Dude, that shit just fucking flew into that guy's house. That would suck.
Imagine you just paid your mortgage off to
I know, right?
Literally, bro, Tennessee
Home
fucking
insurance.
space program. I mean, that was pretty sick, though.
Nah,
They're
yeah, that was
fine.
epic sauce.
Shit, man, he dropped all his Lego money.
Dude, the camera sounds so funny.
What?
Dude,
Is that a big ass hailstone?
No,
What
he
was
had
that?
ice on top of the semi, and they didn't get it scraped off, and then it fell off. and hit
Fucking
the-
hell, man.
Yeah.
Dude, I would have pissed myself. I ain't even gonna lie, though.
Dude,
Yeah,
there was a
honestly,
car
just
in
flatten
front
that
of you.
motherfucker.
This is old.
It's on jaw. Uh-oh. Okay.
Oh, all the
UK.
coal.
Yeah, I was gonna
Dude.
say all my coal, dude. I'm trying to make a gem with that. Fuck. Oh my god! Abibo. Is this guy learning Spanish or something on his radio? What the fuck is that?
It's Spanish, yeah. He's speaking fucking Spanish or some shit.
Oh. Oh,
Oh, dude, get his spit roasted.
You actually
Fuck
got
me.
fucked up by the androids. Jesus Christ.
What is this
Okay.
idiot doing?
You know, man, bicycles aren't the cheapest thing ever, bro. You probably did more damage to your bicycle, if anything.
Dude's got a cyborg ass
ran away.
visor on.
Whoa, bro! There's a guy there! I saved this
Fucking
guy's life.
road, man.
Good thing you said that, man.
Yeah, dude.
Is that a Pochita plush? What is that?
I don't know, Kirby?
Speaking of Pochita, Chainsaw Man sucks.
Yeah.
Sorry about your guys' ending.
Damn, dude.
Yeah, okay, that wasn't really that bad, though, was it?
Yeah, that was just,
Bitch.
like, annoying, though.
This guy just learned what swearing was today. Bitch. What the fuck? There's a me.
Dude, average
Ew.
Texas fucking road work.
Dude's got an Animal Crossing character in the passenger seat. Did you guys hear that?
Yeah, I heard like some little thing. Oh,
okay, it's
why'd
floppy.
you
It's okay.
drive into it?
He wanted to show he wasn't a bitch, I guess, man. His car BTFO'd that thing.
Yeah, why'd he
I be
stop then?
sucking dick. What is that guy listening to? Come on. This looks like it's from 2004, this clip. Okay.
Yeah.
It's from 2021.
Don't look like it, man. It looks like it's from, like, a good time in life, you know?
2021 compared to now was a good time in life.
I guess.
I miss that shit. When no one was doing anything, I fucking miss that shit.
Yeah, I just keep going, honestly. Yeah, that's smart. He did everything right there, this fucking psychopath. Uh-oh. Oh, I thought this. Imagine this other car just straight up just ran into theirs. Oh, okay.
That's impressive they managed to do that.
Yeah, like they fucking backflip like Tony Hawk. Oh god. Yeah, I was gonna say, dude, this guy needs to just actually back up. I would not trust this car ahead of me. Yup, increase that following distance.
Who did they hit? Oh, okay.
Burger King, bro. Burger
Dude,
King.
I actually had a Burger King Whopper the other day in forever. It was actually good. I thought
This
it
is
was
what
shit.
I've been saying for
They must have gotten
eons.
better. They must have gotten better because I've not had them for like maybe 6 years. Had a Whopper and I was like, oh my god, this is good.
They probably had to innovate because they were dying.
Yeah, no, good, man, good. Keep innovating and I'll fucking eat their food more because it was actually a really good fast
They
food
should
burger.
put more estrogen in the burgers.
What the hell?
Yes.
It's a nice shade of blue. It's a shame it's about to probably get ruined. Yup.
Nature is so beautiful, man. Honestly, like,
Yeah. Maybe a Walmart or two here and there, but this is a pretty good nature video.
Oh my god!
Jesus Christ.
They just tapped them and they're like, fuck you! They ran them over! That's crazy!
Yup. Oh, why the fuck did you scream?
Attention!
Blah.
Well, I got that on my dash cam.
I got that on my dash cam.
Shut up, dude. Go back to Reddit.
Yeah, I think it's one better.
Look out!
Oh my god!
What you doing, bro?
Right.
Dude, that's insane. Just hit the brake pedal, man.
No, that's too much effort, though, if you think about it.
What was like? Were they both trying to overtake each other? Like, what the fuck was that?
This
like,
guy was in the left lane, and he was like already speeding, and this guy tried to like slip in, and usually in the situation you would just brake, but instead he just fucking keeps going, and it's like, fuck this guy.
yeah, no, like, what the fuck is that? Like,
I was there at San
What,
Diego
kill
Zoo,
who?
and
Themselves?
I made it a point to go
Huh.
to the tiger enclosure because I really liked it.
I told you
I
this
hate people who do
fucking guy
that.
was a moron.
That was Tim.
cue ball, kill this guy.
Sure thing, boss. Oh, fuck.
Oh, dude!
No,
holy
dude.
shit.
This has to say
Dude,
based alert, okay? Fuck
Yeah,
off.
literally. You're mad, you're pissed, you're mad,
You're mad
pissed.
because he's getting around with the gas prices are $8 a gallon, dude. Fuck you.
Literally, bro.
Careful, man, he may throw out a banana peel.
Yeah, you're pissed. Oh, she's pissed. You're mad, you're mad.
God, dude,
He
there's just
didn't
like,
even use a blinker. Kind of a funny caption.
like, why are you so bitter about it? Like, just have some fun. Have some fun, bro.
Michael?
What? What did he just say?
I don't know, he's like, sorry. I think it was Michael.
He sounded like he called him a giant chud.
On God. Dude, I actually really like that car. The black one. Like, I like those.
I think it's a Cadillac.
Those highlights are cool.
Either a Cadillac or a Lincoln.
Wankin'.
Damn.
I was gonna say that wasn't that bad.
Fuck, man, you saw the bag go off.
That car's
Yeah.
totaled.
Me when I'm in a brown car.
They're
Okay.
both brown. They're both poo-poo brown.
Yeah, that's what
Yeah,
I'm saying.
but why the
Poo-poo
fuck-
brown, disgusting.
mass surveillance of Americans, or to build weapon systems that do not
Build
need
weapons?
We're good.
to fire.
This is an Israeli podcast.
Oh! I thought it was like a Metal Gear Solid one or something, but that makes sense too.
In our military structures.
Dude, honestly, if I got hit, I'd just stay in the car for like hours.
The cops gonna be weird.
Make them
like,
think
no,
I'm dead.
no.
And that, yeah. Oh my God! Your audio system got fucking flashbang. Jesus.
Alright guys, spring will be here before you know it. So if you've been thinking about fixing your chest,
Uh-oh.
Man.
Yup, could have predicted that one, man. Come on. Fucking truck driving dickhead.
Dude, what?
Alaska be like.
No, Alaska's less people.
Yeah, you're right, there's a dude over there. Fuck.
Yeah, look at him. He's just like, I'm a dude. Yeah, I didn't have anything. Sorry, guys.
That was true, though. That's what he was saying.
Yeah. Office Depot spotted. Oh, should have went to Office Depot. Actually, he could have been. I don't know. Oh, he got the pole too, dude. Oh. Damn, cutting all across those lanes, brother.
Oh, chopping up
my
those.
God,
Oh, fuck,
dude.
dude.
Wasn't about him, I guess. Okay. He's still going though.
Dude,
He's
his
like,
car
I
is
don't let this
leaking.
stop you, bro. Okay, I thought I saw water. I was thought, oh, it's leaking all over. Oh, it's leaking fluids all over his other car. Oh. The fuck? Why did it just start going ting ting ting?
The car's like, watch out!
Yeah, it's just delayed as hell. Sorry, bro. I don't really want to hit the fucking brake. I'm gonna be real with you.
This guy's texting and driving. Look at him. Look at him.
Yeah, he's like not paying attention whatsoever, is he?
Nope.
Fucking idiot. You fucking moron.
And he didn't have his fucking seatbelt on! And he didn't have his seatbelt on!
Jail, buddy! You're going to jail!
Oh, man. Oh, someone fucking threw an iPhone at him. What the deuce?
I think it was. Wait, did it hold on? Rewind.
It looked like an iPhone.
I think it's one of the. It's the lock from the fucking that truck up ahead. I think.
Dude, in this picture, it looks like an iPhone.
The dangers of driving and being on your phone, bro. This could happen.
I think
Yeah.
it's, dude, like, look at I think it's straight up like a phone or something.
You gotta make sure that you're like, you know.
Like, okay, maybe it is just a brick.
7-6. Oh my God.
Is that a cop?
I don't. How do you know it's a cop?
It gives me cop vibes. It's the same color.
Car.
It's a kid.
And they have the antenna on top. I don't know if it's standard or not, to be honest.
I just start digging in this car. That's what I do. Amazon spotted. Where's my fucking package? I didn't order anything or anything like that, but do your job, dude.
This music really fits, man. Just pure hard metal fucking rock, bro.
I'm listening to
What's it called? The one with the women? The women metal?
The one with the butts? I think that's Billie Eilish, bro.
Oh, okay. That makes sense, too.
They're fine.
It's called baby metal. That's what that's what I listen to. It's better than normal metal. I'm rage baiting for your comments, by the way. Brandon, you're welcome.
Thank you, thank you.
What the fuck is this long-ass license plate? Greedy. No, the mustard vehicle!
Why did
that
the
might be
green
green.
car go in the wrong way?
He got scared, bro. He ran away. It's like
ran
when
away.
it's like when a kid scrapes his knee and he just starts running around. He doesn't know what to do. He's like, "Ah." What kind of ethereal spirit music are you like fucking listening to? Ethereal,
he's listening-
ethereal? I don't know what the fuck. Whatever.
Dude, I would
Ethereal?
be so pissed. This is like ethereal, yeah, that's the right word.
Prime.
Yeah. Oh yes, drink Prime, yes.
It's
Sponsored by
crazy
Logan
because
Paul.
there was no one in the way. Like, that guy could have just changed lanes.
God, he got the heavy back shot. Oh no, the plush!
You got those permanent back shots, bro.
What in the fuck? Why is every car the same? I'm scared. Oh, what do you...
Oh, he's got his little shit box.
His license plate looks like it's drawn on. What does that hand sign mean?
I don't know.
This, okay, dude, this has to be India because they're all just
It's
honking.
Egypt,
like,
bro.
Yeah, that guy's
does
like,
it say
"Where's it
Egypt
by?"
on the license plate? I didn't see.
Oh my god, impeccable dodge. Jesus Christ. He hit that
was
QT,
there was
bro.
Yeah, I was about to say, bro, press fucking right bumper and X at the same time.
Yeah. I can just tell something bad is gonna happen, man, and I'm really scared. Yup. Nah, you should've just kept going. Oh, what are you... Dude, actual buffoonery.
See, now I'd be blocking both lanes and getting out and, like, fighting that motherfucker.
Yup. Okay, that wasn't really terrible.
That was, I mean, them stopping on the off ramp is pretty bad.
This is normal. This makes
Yeah,
sense.
if it's bungee corded, who cares? This guy's just smart.
Yeah. You can really... He's probably reselling all those, bro, just full of bugs.
Full of delicious bugs.
Otherwise, why are you buying, like, 6 mattresses?
It is kind of.
I guess
weird
you got a
move.
new house, but... Surely you take them... I don't know, man.
No, you would take them all in one go if you could.
Yeah, I guess. It's not like you can
No,
sleep
this
without a
is
mattress.
sick, bro.
Is he flipping them? What?
Yeah, he was flipping them off.
Is it because that guy was driving on the wrong side?
Yeah.
Okay. Why are we in Breaking Bad, bro? What is this?
Dude, this is like that bit in the Simpsons movie when he just puts the map up on the screen, like, on the window. Like,
Looking odd, bro. Okay, what, are we seeing a different point of view?
Yeah, this guy's trying to pass.
this would be solved with, like, just a few more lanes. They
Yeah,
certainly
we
have
just
the
need
space to
8
do it.
more
Like,
lanes, I think.
Look at all that fucking space, bro. You're just wasting it.
Yeah,
Like,
dude.
get
oh,
rid of the
that
nature,
desert
bro.
land. Oh,
Add
that fucking
more
club
lanes to
land.
roads. Stop being fucking cowards. Okay, that's the end of the
Literally,
video.
bro.
Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Click on now. Bye.
Baby, no money. Baby, no money.
I love you. No. No, you stop.
Dude,
that,
I love
dude.
his
Stop
smiling
that.
friends thing.
Stop.